Hello everyone, this is Soviet Bear. So, Russian jets. The Su-35 is so far the most advanced fighter air superiority jet Russia has in its arsenal. Many Western media said that nobody wants to buy Russian Su-35 jets. Well, it is wrong. China has recently acquired 24 of these jets. And so right now, Indonesia has confirmed that it will buy another 12 Russian Su-35 jets. Yes, Su-35 jets won in a contest. Other contenders for the Indonesia were European JAS-39 Gripen, French Dassault Rafale, and European Eurofighter Typhoon, and the American F-16V Viper. And the Su-35 has beaten all of them. The Indonesians buying our Russian fighter jet, not American or European. So, in your face. And other people say that Russians don't have money to finish their fifth generation fighter project, the T-50 PACFA. Huh. Now we have money to do that. Yes, we will finish it anyway. And in 2017, PACFA will enter service in the Russian Aerospace Force. So, and not just China and Indonesia want to buy these pieces of art. Also, Brazil and United Arab Emirates have shown interests in our aircraft, in these particular fighter jets, the Su-35s. So the Su-35 is a Russian 4++ generation fighter jet, air superiority fighter jet. Why it is 4++ generation? Because it doesn't have stealth technology and AESA radar. If that's the only two things that prevent Su-35 to be called full-fledged fifth generation fighter. So right now I'm going to show you a demonstration capabilities video of this jet. The annotation will pop up now. Enjoy. The Soviet Bear out. Bye.